This work can never done, me I tell you that.
Is it?
Tryna- One more day leave, guys, for Christmas. Welcome back to your girl Empress U4's YouTube channel. We are doing a 5 days of Christmas series, and in this video we are going to do a room cleanup. So I'm gonna be doing my deep cleaning for the holidays, and we're going to decorate my bedroom. You may see my daughter in and out because she's gonna help her mama out. But yeah, so we're gonna deep clean, sweep, wipe down the windows, change the curtains. Speaking about curtains, I got these purple curtain. If you don't know me, you don't know some me love purple. So my room have something purple. So I got these two purple curtains. It has gold and white, and we're going for gold and white look. So this is gonna look really good. Wanna think it's gonna look good? I think it's gonna look very good. If it is your very first time on my channel, I want to tell you welcome to my channel. And if you enjoy the vibe and everything over here, it can be a niceness over here and be a nice people over here. So if you want to be a part of the family, hit the subscribe button. That's all. And comment below that you're new, right? So that I can know all of my new supporters, right? And I can give you guys a shout out. So let's dive right into the video, guys. I'm not gonna be talking much. If you hear me talking, it's gonna be like a voice over, because you know what cleaning up we're going to do. So let's go. This is how the room is looking like. I pulled the curtain down already. This is the room. 360.
Is it? Oh,
Turn on the light. Oh, my room look.
it looks nice.
Nice. And the week gone back, girl, I work hard. But tired. What time now? It's 12 o'clock. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl YouTube channel. You know, if you want some more of them video, comment down below and let me know. How